YouTube, how we doing today? We're back at it again with another video. This time we are opening up the August edition of Goldbox Hockey. So this month, two big elite chase cards, elite gold hits, being the Young Guns Nathan Mackinnon and the Young Guns Austin Mathews. As you can see by our background, we're obviously gunning for the Mackinnon. We got his rookie fabrics in the background, rookie materials, rookie gems, and then the draft day marks. And we also got the old Avs jersey down on the table. Hopefully bring some good juju. So we got a 1 in 200 shot at the Mackinnon. This month, a little different than last month. Last month you were gonna get a guaranteed SPA pack or a Artifacts pack. This month it's Trilogy or SPA, so we'll see how that goes, see what we get there. And then we also have the featured packs for the month. We'll throw them up on the screen there. We'll get two other hobby packs of the non-featured, and then a nostalgia pack. This month there's also the loaded box again, which will get both the Trilogy and the SP pack, as well as two gold hits. Judging by the weight of this thing, I don't think we got one of those, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, typically these things open up pretty easy. So, boom, box 5 out of 200. So you can see the featured packs there on the side. 78 total packs, our gold hit. And then we got our Nathan Mackinnon down there. So here's to hoping. Feels a little thick. I'd say that's probably a jersey card. So we got Trilogy, we got the Extended, we got this year's Series 2, this year's Series 1, last year's Series 1, 17-18 Series 2, and then some 93-94 o-pee-chee Premier. We'll open up our nostalgia pack first. Get that out of the way. These are probably every which way. Sergei Fedorov. Oh God, they're every which way. Dmitry Filimonov. Sean Hill. Ken Weggett. Tom Arasso. There we go. What the heck? What the heck?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Darren Rumble, Felix Potvin, old Glenn Healy, Bruce Driver, Matt Burnaby, Matthias Nordstrom, Greg Johnson. All right. So I think next we'll go with the 17-18 Series 2. We got Couturier, we got Del Zotto, we got Craig Smith, we got Brandon Saad, and a marquee rookie, Oscar Fantenberg. Green, Granlund, Jimmy Howard. Next we'll dip into last year's Series 1. Looking for the Hughes brothers, Nolan Patrick, Philip Grubauer, Carter Hart, Yanni Gord, and then a Portraits rookie, Philip Zadina. Former Halifax Moosehead, so not too shabby. Mark Stone, Radulov, Noah Hannafin. Might as well go in order with these ones, so we'll do Series 1 first. Jeff Carter, Dylan Dubé, Sean Couturier, and a Young Guns canvas, Ty Dellandrea. Not too shabby. Nikita Zaitsev, Lars Eller, Morgan Riley, Frank Petrano. So now on to the Series 2. Looks like a blue dazzler. So we got Adam Pellick, Matthias Ekholm, Seth Jones, and a canvas card. Oh, Mike Riley, canvas. And then we got Travis Konecny, blue dazzler, Sean Walker, Brian Dumoulin, Cam Atkinson, new Philadelphia Flyer, Cam Atkinson. So now we got the extended from this year. Really the only big thing would be that updated Lafreniere Young Gun or some of the retros, but we got McDavid on the front, Torrey Krug, we got Dylan Campbell, we got the Hurdle Turtle, and we got Ovation Premier Prospects, Nick Robertson. Not a bad looking card. Got some texture to it. Then we got Craig Smith, Matthew Benning, Josh Brown. All right, now on to Trilogy. Nice fat decoy in there. So we got, from the back, we'll go first. We got Carter Hart. We got Mark Stahl, and then this one, rookie super stage, Nick Robertson. And then behind that, sideways again, yeah. Rookie super stage, Vitek Vanacek. So nothing too crazy there. So now on to our gold hit. Cue the drum roll, please. This one doesn't have the split in the side of the pack to make it easy to open. Definitely a thicker card. Artifacts. Year 1 sweaters, Capo Caco. Game used. So that's not too bad. So game used jersey card of Capo Caco. Hopefully that kid takes off and progresses in his career and lives up to the expectations. So that's it. All right, so a quick back run through our hits of the pack. Unfortunately, we didn't snag that Mackinnon, but we lived to fight another day. So we had the rookie super stage, Nick Robertson and Vitek Vanacek. We had the Nick Robertson Premier Prospects Ovation, the Blue Dazzler Konecny, Canvas Mike Riley, Young Guns Canvas of Ty Dellandrea. We had the UD Portraits Rookie of Zadina, and then our gold hit was the Year 1 Rookie Sweaters Game Used Jersey piece of Capo Caco. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.